Hey everyone! If you're mining Hamster Kombat and making this specific mistake, you're at risk of missing out on their airdrop. I'll also explain how they're distributing their mining tokens to their community. I'll quickly share important details that no one else on YouTube is talking about. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon. Also, join our Telegram channel for all the links. First and foremost, if you're converting your balance to increase your profit per hour, you're at risk. By clearing your coin balance to boost your hourly profit, you might miss out on the airdrop. I'll explain how the distribution will happen and what you should do to qualify. People are converting their balances so much that they're nearing zero, focusing solely on profit per hour. You must also increase your level. For instance, I'm currently at the Grandmaster level, and the next is Lord, which requires 1 billion tokens. If you're at Master, Legendary, or below Epic, you need to increase your level as much as possible. When you reach the Lord level, the distribution of tokens will be more favorable. There are different levels, and 500 million Hammer tokens will be distributed accordingly. The highest amount, around 300 million tokens, will go to those at the Lord level, followed by Grandmaster, then Master. The lower your level, the fewer tokens you receive. To summarize, increase your level before boosting your profit per hour. Once you reach the highest level, even if your balance falls below 1 billion, your level won't decrease. After reaching the highest level, you can then focus on increasing your profit per hour without worrying about your level dropping. If you're unsure how to proceed, avoid expensive special cards that cost millions. Instead, look for cards that cost less, but still offer a good profit per hour. I'll share more about these specific cards in our Telegram channel. Hey, if you want a detailed video about these cards, comment below and like this video to reach a 2,000 like target. I'll make a follow-up video on this topic. Remember, don't clear all your coin balance for profit per hour. Focus on increasing your level first by earning more coins through daily rewards, cipher codes, and daily combos. Referring friends can also help. I hope this video clarifies the potential risks and how to ensure you qualify for the airdrop. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll make a separate video if needed to address your doubts. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.